Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and use two WhatsApp accounts on your Android device. If this is your first time here and you find value in this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot and helps the channel to grow. Without further ado, let's get started. On this device, you can see here that I have one WhatsApp here and a second one here. This one is the normal WhatsApp and this one is the business WhatsApp app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have two instances of this app installed on your device without the need to install a business WhatsApp app. Before we proceed, let's open the app drawer so I can show you how many WhatsApp apps I have installed here. As I told you before, I have the normal WhatsApp app installed and I also have the WhatsApp business. So what we're going to do is to install another version of this WhatsApp on this device. To do that, let's go to the settings. Mine is right here. I'm going to tap there. Then I'm going to scroll down until I find advanced features, which is right here. Tap there. Then I'm going to scroll down until I find Dual Messenger. I'm going to tap there. Now here inside Dual Messenger, you have a list of applications that you can duplicate. In this case, I have WhatsApp and Facebook. If for some reason you have a different app that is already installed on your device and it does not appear here, it means that this application is not supported. And if you don't have WhatsApp here, you need to download it first from Google Play Store. Now here, what this feature is going to do is to install a copy of the WhatsApp app that you already have installed on your device. And to do that, what we have to do is just to tap here on this toggle to turn this feature on. You'll get this pop-up notification right here at the bottom asking if you really want to install a second copy of WhatsApp. Because this is what we want to do, I'm going to click here on install to proceed. The process is really quick, and once it finishes, you'll get this notification saying that a copy of WhatsApp was installed. Just to be sure, let's open the app drawer and check it. As you can see, I have WhatsApp here and I also have a copy of the WhatsApp on the right side. And you can see here that because this is a copy, you have this copy icon on the right bottom side. So this way, it's easy to identify which one is the copy. Now let's open these apps so that you can see that each app have a different account. I'm going to open this one first. You can see this one have one account. Let's open the second one. And you can see that because this is a different instance of the app, it requires you to set up. So here you can set up a different account for this copy of the WhatsApp app. And on this app, you can see right here at the bottom that you have this copy icon that shows that this is the copy version of the WhatsApp app. If you decide in the future that you want to uninstall it, let me show you how you can do that. Let's go back to the settings. Tap here on the settings. Let's scroll down. We are right here inside the settings main page. Let's scroll down until we find advanced features. Tap there, and then inside advanced features, scroll down until you find Dual Messenger. Then right here, install Dual Messenger, we have our WhatsApp copy app where that feature is on. Because we want to delete or uninstall it, what we're going to do is tap again here on this toggle to turn that feature off. You'll get this pop-up notification. If you want to completely uninstall it, including deleting the data, you just tap here on uninstall it. If you want to keep the data, you just tap here to select keep the data, but uninstall the app. In this case, I want to uninstall and delete the data. So I'm going to click here, uninstall to proceed. This process is also quick, and once it finishes, you'll get a notification saying that the copy of the WhatsApp app was uninstalled. Just to be sure, let's go back to the app drawer to check it. As you can see, we no longer have the copy of the WhatsApp app installed on this device. Well everyone, this is how you can have two WhatsApp apps installed on your Android device, which will allow you to have two different accounts running on it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us and it helps the channel to grow. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.